So some of you have probably noticed this in the background. I got a few people that were messaging me. They were requesting me if I could do a video on this car. So I'll do a quick little walk around on it. This is a 1979 Chrysler Newport. It is a factory Mopar cop car. 15x7 police rallies. It's got the sure grip rear end in it. D-code heavy duty 727 transmission. Under the hood, factory 360 with a 4-barrel. Big amp alternator. Factory lean burn computer. Still intact and working. And that is hooked to a dual snorkel air cleaner. A little odd. This car sat for a very long time prior to me getting it. I mean, this car was parked for, God, probably about 7 to 10 years. Maybe even longer. But it's pretty solid. And it's a real police car. Let's see if we can start her up, pull her out. I got the car running. It was sitting forever up until I got the thing. I was able to get it cranked over and fired up. Just needed some gas and a bit of a boost. So we'll see if it starts. I haven't ran it in a few months. Alright, we need a little bit of starting fluid. Take two. That was cool. Backfire out the carburetor. Alright, maybe we'll just run it where it sits. I don't think she's going to move today. So we'll do it right where it's parked. So, it's got a good running 360 in it. It's got the police vinyl bench interior. Certified 125, or certified 120 mile an hour speedometer. So you can see it runs pretty healthy, good oil pressure. When it comes up to temp, it usually sits about a quarter of the way up where it should be. Alternator, I'm not necessarily sure it's charging. Radio works, climate control might work, don't know, don't care. Oh, she is a honey. She is a honey. These are actually very rare too. This is an R body, because this would be a Newport or a St. Regis. And R bodies are actually very hard to come by. You almost never find them. For whatever reason, none of them ever survived. Get back in here. Pretty cool car. That probably worked one day, but it ain't today. That kind of makes some noise. I don't even want to push that because I don't know what's going to blow out of those vents. It's in the glove box. Some mirror, mouse crap. And if you want to see some more stuff, subscribe. I'll be posting a lot more crap. I've got plenty of garbage around here to show off.